Scholar is presenting 10 widely spoken sentences useful in daily conversation. Aman is sad because he cannot speak in English. Hey Aman, don't be sad. I will tell you how to speak better English. Hello all of you. I am Savita. I am selected as a class monitor. From now onwards, we will speak in English only. Yes, Savita. Oh, Meena, can you speak in English? No, I cannot. Let's ask Manisha. I am very fluent in English. So do I. I watch English movies, I read English newspaper, and I always talk in English at home. You need to practice more and more if you want to speak in English fluently. As we are non-native speakers, I understand. So I practice more and more to reprogram my mind. Oh, I am weak in English. No need to worry. I will ask the teacher to tell you some tricks and tips. Oh. Stop acting like a kid. Okay. I will try my level best. Students, today I will teach you 10 common sentences useful in daily conversation. This will help you to speak fluently and impressively. The first sentence is nice to see you. इसका मतलब है आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. This sentence is often used when you meet someone after a long break, when you meet a friend or a neighbor after a long time. The second sentence is I will try my level best. इसका मतलब होता है कि मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूँगा या करूँगी. This sentence is used when a person is requesting some other person to do something. जब आपसे कोई रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि ये काम कर दो, तब आप ये सेंटेंस यूज़ करते हैं I will try my level best to complete the work. Now the third sentence is how dare you. It is a commonly used sentence. इसका मतलब होता है तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई. अगर कोई कुछ गलत काम करता है तब आप ये सेंटेंस यूज करते हैं हाउ डेयर यू. द फोर्थ सेंटेंस इज हाउ कम. एक छोटा सा सेंटेंस है जिसका मतलब है ऐसा कैसा. हाउ कम यू आर सिंगल. हाउ कम यू कैन नॉट मेक अ डिसीजन. द फिफ्थ सेंटेंस इज व्हाट नॉनसेंस. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है क्या बकवास है. You can use this sentence in response to something you don't believe in. If someone is spreading a rumor, you can say what nonsense is this. The sixth commonly used sentence is how is it going. ये हालचाल पूछने का एक और तरीका है. How are you की जगह आप पूछ सकते हो how is it going. Or if someone is asking you how is it going, you can answer like not bad or it's been going pretty good. The seventh most commonly used sentence is enjoy yourself. उसका मतलब है आप आनंद लें या आप मज़े करें. Enjoy yourself during the holidays. If anybody is saying that I am going to watch a movie, you can say enjoy yourself. The eighth sentence is maybe some other time. It is a polite way of refusing. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ नहीं करनी है तो आप उसे डायरेक्टली नो कहने के बजाय आप बोलेंगे मे बी सम अदर टाइम. इफ़ समवन इज आस्किंग लेट्स गो फॉर अ पार्टी टुनाइट, यू विल से मे बी सम अदर टाइम. इसका हिंदी में मीनिंग है फिर कभी. द नाइन्थ सेंटेंस इज हाउ मच इज दिस. इफ़ यू हैव सेलेक्टेड एन आइटम एंड यू वॉन्ट टू नो इट्स वैल्यू, यू विल आस्क हाउ मच इज दिस. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है ये कितने का है. इट इज़ अ वे टू आस्क अबाउट द प्राइस ऑफ समथिंग यू हैव सेलेक्टेड फॉर योर सेल्फ. द 10th एंड द लास्ट सेंटेंस इज हैंग इन देयर. इसका हिंदी में मतलब है डटे रहो या धीरज रखो. इट इज़ एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एनकरेजमेंट टू परसिस्ट और स्टे काम इन अ चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन. द मीनिंग इज डोंट गिव अप. If someone is struggling with something या कोई परेशान है अपनी जॉब से या किसी भी चीज़ से, तब आप ये सेंटेंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं hang in there. That means don't give up, don't lose hope. I hope you have found this lesson useful. I will tell you more tips and tricks to speak and write better English in the coming lessons. If you have any queries, write in the comment section. Goodbye students, we will meet soon. Like, share and press the bell for the coming episodes. Follow us on social media. If you want help in studies, just WhatsApp on the given numbers or mail us.